Well, I want to welcome the signing of the Electoral Act by Mr. President. It's a welcome development, and we're very glad and happy that at last Mr. President had heeded to our call by signing the Electoral Act. It will go a long way in adding value to transparent, free and fair electoral process of our country, Nigeria. And that is the beginning of good things to happen to our country. And so I commend the President signing, and of course he did well by indicating that he feels that Section 84, subsection 12, should be deleted or amended to ensure that we do not cause unnecessary hardship for those in government who want to participate in the electoral process of our country. That is also a welcome development. He did not arbitrarily delete it or rejected it, but he's sending it back to the National Assembly. That is a democratic process, and that is left in the hands of the National Assembly to see what can be done. I'm sure our representatives at the National Assembly will look at it in consultation with us, and if they feel that it should be deleted, that should be done. So it is a welcome development. And for some of us, especially the transmission of result through electronic means, shows clearly that we shall say bye-bye to rigging. That has been a very big challenge. You go there, you campaign, you win election, and somebody will sit somewhere and shortchange you and write anything. But now, with the transmission of the result from the ward level to Abuja, we go a long way in curbing the issue of fraudulent practices, especially changing results and all that. And then we can have true representatives at that level. And things we work out. So it is a welcome development. I commend the President for signing, and I will never hesitate in criticizing, but my criticism is always very constructive, just to make sure that we get things done. But when he does something that is good, like signing the Electoral Act, it is commended, and I appreciate it. And let him continue to listen to voice of reason at all times when we say it. His ears should not just be blocked from listening to some of us who disagree with him on several economic, security, and other issues. But we owe him a duty to support him where it is right. And we owe him a duty to criticize and ensure that the right thing is done so that we can together move forward in our country. And coming back to where we're here, I congratulate and commend my bosom friend, Sebastian Stone, and the family who have distinguished himself. I'm very proud and happy that his mother's people are honoring him today. I think it's a welcome development. Give honor to whom honor is due. This man deserves it. And I think that taking a cue from what I'm seeing here, in my own place, not just in my mother's place, I will also organize a reception to honor him, because he has distinguished himself. He's a clean lawyer, a man of God, a man with the fear of God, a man with the wisdom of God. He has contributed variously in adding value in my political life. If not God, through him, my electoral victory in 2015 would have been stolen by people who did not mean well for our country, who did not mean well for our state. And in 2019, he rose to the challenge again and stood with me day and night. He never rested and ensured that I got my victory from the tribunal to appeal court to the Supreme Court. This is not a mean feat. And that is why I chose to be here personally. I'm very proud and I'm associated with him. And above all, what I like about this young man is that he fears God. And he believes in equity, fairness, and justice. And that is what has bonded us together. And I'm happy I'm here. I congratulate him. And I pray that God will continue to grant him the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to continue to stand for the truth, as he has always done. God bless him.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.